Hello, myself Shweta. We have done career counseling for Sarah, my daughter, and very happy uh, to have your guidance. Actually, we were more confused what to take, commerce or science.
Right.
We know her capabilities. She likes studying. She
Right.
likes reading more, but still we were confused.
Yeah.
We thought that she's getting good marks, so she should go for science. But no, it's not like that. With the help of your guidance and your aptitude test and all those reports came out. So we are happy to know that she can go for commerce and she can do her best.
Right.
Thank you for that.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I would like to add something. First of all, thank you very much for this detailed report wherein you have given this all the details of numerical ability, reasoning ability, all the abilities that come into the personality. Uh, it was not about giving the results. You also explained us where she can improve upon. I mean, how to get best of all those abilities where she was either good or below good on the bar chart. So that was good thing to have, like what she can do, what practices she can have as a child, as a student. Then there were some study habits which did not show good results. So she was doing, you asked about her methods, and then how those methods can be improved. Those also were mentioned in the session. And obviously the last part, which was her career options. We were given two, three options and where to approach, how to approach, methods to approach. So all detailed discussions were there. So yeah, all in all, it was good experience to have this career counseling with you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah, bye. Good day.